www.gibsonTruckWorld. Calm 2011 Ford F250 Crew Cab Long Bed 4-wheel drive under factory warranty through 1/3/16. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills, and have the truck inspected by a third party. Riding on $1,000 of 4 brand new Nittos, DZ Nerf bars, Sony 10-disc CD player, O-line in, tilt steering, cruise control and towing package. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department, and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. At Gibson Truck World,